Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing CumaBalm. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a balm or a cream that helps you erase eye bags. So before we get into the review, while you're waiting for my next video, scammers are still targeting you. And that is why I put together this research system that you can use right away. So link below in the description for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here, we have it here opened up in their website. And this is what it looks like. So as you can see, it's $40 for one unit, $80 for 3 units, and $100 for 5. So as you can see, this is what the effect is supposed to look like, and clearly that this image is very edited. It's very clearly edited since there is no difference in the images right here. Basically, they just edited this out. So as you can see, these are the reviews, supposed reviews that they have. So as you can see, most of them are AI or edited. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, here on Trustpilot they're rated 3.7 out of 5 stars with 25 reviews. So as you can see, this is what gentle should feel like. 5 stars. Doesn't compete with other brands. 5 stars. Really helps on my camera days. About 5 sticks after using them, saw no difference, so this is a 1 star. Doesn't slide into my eyes. Great before and after workouts. It's only mush. Why wasn't it sent or served with a strong box? I waited long enough. Oh, so she ordered it and then the package got destroyed, so that's unfortunate. Product does nothing. Beware false advertising. Beware. So there are concerning reviews here. So I would advise you to do some more research or just buy another product that's more trusted than this one, since this seems to be shady. Since as you can see right here, this is very clearly edited, so why would they edit it if it was actually legit? And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.